Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to plan your day fast. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Okay, so if you want to plan your day, you have a couple of options. You can plan your day super in-depth and super thoroughly, and that's great, but it will take a while. Okay, if you want to plan your day fast, this is the method that I would recommend because it'll allow you to get your whole day planned, very roughly, and it'll be really quick. So it's all about the big picture. If you want to plan your day fast, you got to think about the big picture. We're thinking about big pictures, not minor details, just big pictures. Okay, so think about the big picture of your day. And these are the things that should basically come to your mind as you think about the big picture of your day. So the first thing is, what are the top few things that you want to get done? So what are the things that if you had a choice to get a few things done, okay, what are the things that you would want to get done? These are things that are optional but desired, meaning they're optional. You don't have to get them done, but they're desired. You want to get them done. What are the top few things on that list that you want to get done, okay? Keep that in mind. Next up, you have to figure out, what do you need to get done? These are going to be things that are not optional. They are necessary. They're not optional. You don't have a choice. They're necessary. You need to get them done. So what are the things that, like I said, you have no choice. They need to get done. Plain and simple. By the end of the day, they need to get done. Necessary. Absolutely necessary. What are those things? Get them in your mind. Okay, the things you need to get done. Next up, you basically need to sort of bring those two together, and you have to think, how can you do the things that you want to get done around the things that you need to get done? So essentially, the things you want to get done should be planned around the things you need to get done. So think about your day, okay? Place the things that you need to get done in your day. So just think about your day. You wake up, you go to sleep, there's all the hours in between. Place the things that you need to get done in those hours of your day, okay? Place them where you think they're going to be, when you're going to start them, when you're going to finish them. These are all rough estimates, right? But place them where you think that they're going to sort of start and finish, where you think you're going to get them done throughout your day. All the things that you need to get done should be placed first, okay? Then, once you've placed those things that you need to get done, next up, you got to fill in all of the extra space with the things that you want to get done. So you want to get something done. Maybe you could do a little bit of it before, a little bit of it after, a little bit of it, around, whatever. Maybe you can wake up half an hour earlier, get a little bit of it done right there. Whatever the case is. Basically, you're going to place the things that you want to get done next. That's it. So big picture, figure out what you want to get done, figure out what you need to get done, okay? Essentially. And then you're going to place the things that you need to get done throughout your sort of day in your mind as you're thinking about it. And then once you place the things that you need to get done, you're going to go ahead and fill in with the things that you want to get done. And the things you want to get done will go around the things that you need to get done. The things you need to get done are in those places. The things you want to get done sort of go around those places. Think about it like that. And that's basically it. And I do want to say something. This is unrelated, but if you saw me go like this before, I'm in my van and literally this huge, I don't know, bee or wasp or something. It looked like this long, like it had like a long tail attached to it. I don't know what it was. This huge insect flew by. So if you saw me kind of go like this, it was because it was literally right by the window. Now the window's closed, it can't get in here, but I was like, it took me by surprise. So if you saw me kind of like get back there, that was what I saw. Anyways, it's all good. It's out of the van. It's not in here. We're good. The windows are closed. It's all good. Anyways, that's how to plan your day fast. And honestly, you can use this method to sort of get your day as nicely as you can get it, get a lot done, be productive. And like, you don't need to spend hours planning your day. This is like, for the most part, this can be done in a few minutes in your head. Like, so you can do this anytime. You don't even need to write anything down. It can just be done mentally. Meaning like, you're in the shower in the morning, you can plan your day like that. Or the night before, plan your day like that in your head. You're about to fall asleep, plan your day in your head. You're sitting through a presentation and you're bored, plan tomorrow's day in your head. Right? Like, it can just be done in your head at any time, which is really cool. And that's basically it. I've got nothing else to say, so we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.